What is hard water and soft water? Water is polar in nature. Many salts dissolve in it. Salt like bicarbonates, chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium make water hard. Water has been classified into two types, soft water and hard water. What is soft water? Water free from soluble salts of calcium and magnesium is called soft water. Soft water readily form lather with soap. For example, rainwater, distilled water and demineralized water. What is hard water? Water with salts of calcium and magnesium in the form of hydrogen carbonate, chlorides and sulfates is called hard water. Hard water does not form lather with soap. For example, sea water, tap water, river water, etc. Hardness of water is of two types, temporary hardness and permanent hardness. What is temporary hardness? It is due to the presence of bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium in water. Permanent hardness. It is due to the presence of chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium in water. Hard water not form lather with soap. Why? Soaps are fatty acids of sodium and potassium salts like sodium stearate, sodium palmate, etc. When soap is added to hot water, the precipitates of calcium and magnesium stearate appear as scum. हार्ड वाटर में पानी से झाग क्यों नहीं बनती है? साबुन के साथ झाग क्यों नहीं बनता है? साबुन जो है वो सोडियम स्टीरेट, सोडियम पाल्मेट, ये हायर फैटी एसिड्स होते हैं ऑफ सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम। जब हार्ड वाटर के साथ ये रिएक्ट करते हैं, कैल्शियम फ्रॉम हार्ड वाटर, जैसे पानी में अगर कैल्शियम आयन है, मैग्नीशियम है, तो वो उसको हार्ड बनाता है। जब ये साबुन के साथ मिलेगा तो ये स्कम बनाएगा और झाग बनने नहीं देगा। अगर मैग्नीशियम है तो इस तरह से ये साबुन के साथ रिएक्ट होगा, स्कम बनाएगा और झाग बनने नहीं देगा।